Reusing the same towel is riskier than most people realize. After a shower, your towel soaks up water, oils, dead skin, sweat, and bacteria from your body. Once damp, it quickly turns into a breeding ground. In just 24 hours, a towel can host millions of bacteria, including E. coli, staph, and mold. Using it again just spreads those germs back onto your skin. This can trigger acne, rashes, fungal infections, or even infections through tiny cuts. And the odor? That's bacteria thriving. Experts recommend washing towels after each use, not once a week. So if your skin is breaking out, itching, or smelling off, the culprit might be your towel, not your shower.